presenting a documentary on Julie. Julie has a green jumper. You cannot see this because it is black and white. And she has hair here, here, and here.
I'm so glad I've got hair.
As you can see, Julie has her ear pierced with the dice. It's very painful. And I am Mr. Alex.
Hello.
I am Mr. Alex. And this is Mr. Tasha because she's in nail because she has a penis. We cannot see her penis because this is rated PG.
You want to, secretly.
I love you. I want your children. Kiss me again.
It's like rain.
Okay, she does not love me, so I will have to slap her around. And I am Mr. Alex.
Welcome back. I'm Mr. Alex. Can we sing? Hello. Hello. Can I nibble your face? Now, she is a lesbian with Julia. But she's a spastic because I can't actually get him on my hand right now. She does not like it when people touch her face. And she did not enjoy the rape I gave her earlier. I felt very disappointed. I'm going to leave her now because she is a smelly gross after a kiss. I am Mr. Alex? Yeah.
I am Mr. Alex again. And today we are studying a robin. Now, as you can see, she looks rather like a gremlin. And if we tickle her just here, she freaks out. And it is very funny. Now, for some strange reason, she seems to be holding Hannah's teddy bear, which is just rude. How you make fun of Robin as well as tickling her knee, like so. And I'm Mr. Alex. Okay, what happened to his head then?
It's like right into my